Before we start, if you enjoy quick tech reviews and discovering hidden or unusual apps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Now let's talk about something pretty unexpected: watching YouTube on your Apple Watch. WatchTube is a third-party app that works as an unofficial YouTube client for the Apple Watch. Unlike the official YouTube experience, this app lets you watch videos directly on your wrist, search for content, subscribe to channels, and even read comments, all without needing your iPhone nearby. If you're using a cellular Apple Watch, everything streams directly to the watch itself. Now, let's be honest. Watching YouTube on a smartwatch sounds more like a novelty than a serious use case. But surprisingly, WatchTube is far more functional than you'd expect. Once you open the app, you're greeted with a YouTube-style homepage where you can browse trending videos and recommendations. You can search using voice dictation or the tiny on-screen keyboard, and you can access your watch history, like videos, and subscribe to channels directly from the watch. The controls are actually very intuitive too. You use the digital crown to adjust the volume, and you can scrub through the video timeline smoothly, which feels very natural on watchOS. One of the biggest highlights of WatchTube is that it works independently. You don't need your iPhone connected for it to function, which makes it especially useful if you're out for a walk, commuting, or just don't want to carry your phone around. Another major advantage is that the app is completely ad-free. Since it's not an official Google product, it bypasses YouTube's normal ad system, meaning you can watch videos without interruptions, something many users will definitely appreciate. That said, the experience isn't perfect. Performance can be hit or miss. Videos may pause frequently to load, and sometimes they don't play at all. This usually isn't your watch's fault, but rather the servers the app relies on. WatchTube uses third-party video servers called invidious instances, and if one server goes down, you'll need to manually switch to another one in the settings. It's not difficult, but it can be inconvenient if you don't know what's happening. Another limitation is account syncing. While you can like videos and subscribe to channels inside WatchTube, none of this syncs with your actual Google or YouTube account. Everything is stored locally within the app itself, so your real YouTube history and subscriptions remain separate. And of course, there's the screen size. Even on the larger Apple Watch models, the display is still very small. While it works well for quick checks, short clips, or casual viewing, it's definitely not ideal for long videos or extended watch sessions. Overall, WatchTube is an impressive technical achievement. It proves that a full YouTube-like experience on the Apple Watch is possible, even if it's not perfect. Think of it as a fun, convenient backup option rather than a replacement for watching YouTube on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you're curious and like experimenting with what your Apple Watch can do, WatchTube is definitely worth trying. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech content, and comment below if you'd like a quick tutorial on fixing playback issues or switching video servers in WatchTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.